So hey friends, it's been a while. It's been too long, but I am taking a road trip. I'm heading to Arkansas and thought I'd take you along. Let's do this thing.
She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Take the next right toward Polk Road, 694.
Rustic, but very pretty. The Shady Lake Recreation area. Doesn't look like anybody else is here. Okay, I'm good with that. Alright, so this is where I landed. This is Shady Lake Recreation area. I'm in Loop C in Site 12. Not much of a view other than just the woods, but that'll work. That'll work. That's kind of what I wanted. A little peace and quiet. So I don't have any big plans of what I want to do today other than just chill here in this beautiful forest. Don't have any cell phone reception here, which is okay. It's kind of fun to get off the grid now and then, but yeah, I'll probably just stay here one night, then head on down the road and see what other kind of trouble I can get into. But yeah, this is a lovely, lovely place. I haven't been here in about 30 years. I don't even remember it being like this at all. Gorgeous. What are you doing, bud? You pretending like you're a twig? I don't think you are. A lot of ashes in there. Oh well, we'll do what we can. Fire. Should do it. A rip-roaring fire for the evening. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Good morning, friends. Well, I woke up bright and early here at Shady Lake. Man, did I sleep good. So yeah, pretty much yesterday all I did was build a roaring fire there and sit there and read a book. It was lovely. So when I was sitting here, this man and woman went walking by, and I saw the man on his cell phone doing something. And I said, "You have cell phone reception?" And he laughed and he said, "Oh, no." He said, "I was just making a note of something." So he told me he's the campground host and he likes to keep track of who's here. He said, you know, because we have no cell phone reception and we're 50 miles from the nearest hospital, it's just good to know who's here, how many are in each party, and that way if somebody comes up missing, we'll know where to start. I was like, oh wow, that's kind of sketchy, you know, here in 2021. You don't think about that being that far from a hospital and no cell phone reception. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cruise out of here this morning and go and try to find a different campground. It's, like I said, it's lovely here, but it's supposed to get colder tonight and rain and possibly really windy tomorrow. So I thought, well, maybe it'd be nice to be someplace with electricity and reception, just in case. Anyway, don't know if that's even possible. Like I said, I'm not even sure which direction I'm going to go in, but I'm going to drive north and west and try and find Mina, and I'm pretty sure there's reception there. So then we'll go from there. It is just so peaceful out here, so quiet. The stars last night were fabulous. And then I woke up this morning, probably about 5:30, and I climbed out of the van and looked up, and we're completely cloudy today. So it was lovely last night while it lasted, though. Indeed. All right, let's hit the road, guys. Oh yeah, and I did learn something last night when I went for my bike ride. There is a loop with electric hookups over there. That's where all the RVs are, so I came back over here. Nothing against RVs, of course. I hate being stacked in when I don't have to be, and this was so lovely here at the end of this loop. Just so lovely. Yay. Goodbye, Shady Lake Campground. Thanks. Alrighty, well, I got gassed up. I didn't really find anything interesting on the map, so I'm going to go down the Tallahatchie Scenic Drive and see what's down here. Should be lovely. It says use at your own risk. Steep hills. Crooked and steep. Alright, let's do it. Else out here. I think I'm the only idiot. Yep, just me. Very pretty. Alright, I'll let you know if I see anything gorgeous. It's all gorgeous. This road is just one beautiful vista after another. Wow. It is cold and windy out there too, though. Indeed. Wow, very pretty. Steep and windy. Up we go. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but I thought I was seeing smoke blow across the road, or maybe even fog. But no, it's straight up clouds. I'm up in the clouds. Yeah, it's cold and windy out there, guys. I'm gonna head down a little bit, I think. If I could just get a wind block, it would be a game changer. Well, goodbye, Arkansas. Hello, Oklahoma. Warning. Oh. I don't know how foggy it is. I guess we'll find out. Pretty foggy. Let's go slow. Alright. We're going to check out Winding Stair National Recreation Area. Oops.
In 800 feet, turn left.
It's a bit warmer down here for sure. Less wind. Very pretty. More leaves on the trees. Alright, so this is where I've landed for the night. This is Winding Stair Campground Campsite 5. Today is November 24th. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So I'm going to start by being thankful for whoever left that firewood. I think I'm going to spark that up. Yep, a little bit breezy, but nothing like it was at the top of the mountain. So this will do. So there's only 2 other people camped here in the campground host and 1 other car. They're on the other side of the campground, so hopefully this will be another lovely, peaceful evening. It is supposed to rain tonight, so I'm just going to leave my bike in the van, and yeah. But I do have reception here, so I can watch some YouTube tonight. That'll be good. Alright, let's do this campfire thing. It's chilly. It says it's 63 degrees, but I don't believe it. It feels like about 50. Alright, so I stuffed a paper towel in there and lit it. Let's see what happens there. Just trying. Yep, that was indeed a well-laid fire. Thank you, kind people. Thank you very much. I've got a burger on the grill. I'm just going to enjoy some lunch, read a book. Can't think of anything else I'd rather do. So I spent most of my day in front of that campfire reading a book, and it was lovely. This is a really pretty area. I would just wish it wasn't quite so windy, but it is. So I decided to come on into the van. It is just so windy out there. I've gone ahead and let the fire die down. I'm going to go ahead and edit this video up. So I hope whatever you're doing, you are having a fabulous Thanksgiving. I hope you're with those that you love and just having a great day. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this video edited up. I'm not sure where I'm going to end up tomorrow, but I will bring you along, and I hope you'll join me. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Y'all stay lost, my friends, and happy Thanksgiving. That's what we've got.